What's up everybody, it's Sean here, and in today's video I'm here to give you guys an early look at the Air Jordan 1 in the Blue Moon colorway. These are set to drop May 1st for a US retail price of $160 and a retail price here in Canada of 215 Canadian dollars. So the official colorway for this shoe is Summit White, Blue Moon, and Black. Unofficially, this shoe is part of the Black Toe Pack that's releasing alongside a green colorway as well as a yellow colorway in the same sort of color blocking. So the biggest departure between this shoe and your standard Air Jordan 1 Retro High is the inclusion of this suede back panel. So I will go into more detail about that aspect of the shoe later on in the review, but for now let's kick things off by taking a look at the base layer of this shoe. So in this case, the base layer is comprised of a smooth white leather, and to be honest, the quality of this leather is not the best. So overall, there's a bit of that plasticky feel to it, and it's not overly soft and buttery like recent releases like the Bread Toes, for example. So this smooth white leather is not only found along this toe box area, but also along the mid panels of both sides of the shoe as well. Of course, being that this is part of the Black Toe Pack, this means that the leather found wrapping around the edge of the toe box is comprised of a smooth black leather. As with a lot of Air Jordan 1s, the tongue on this model is comprised of black nylon, and at the very top, here we have this Nike Air branding done in this Blue Moon color. Overlaid on top of the tongue, we have the laces, which are just your standard flat laces in black, but these also come with a secondary pair of laces done in Blue Moon. At the top of this ankle collar, this is done in a black leather. And then here we are, the most important part of this shoe, which is this back panel. So the entire back panel, as well as this Nike swoosh found on either side of the shoe, this is comprised of a pretty buttery suede done in this Blue Moon color. Quality wise, the suede was definitely a step up compared to the leather found on this toe box, and overall I had no complaints about the suede. Embossed on the lateral side of this ankle collar, here we have the Air Jordan Wings logo done in black. So the inner liner of the shoe is done in black, and I wanted to point out the insoles. So these do come with these special edition insoles, which are different between the left foot and the right foot. So taking a closer look, you can see that the left foot contains various graphics which kind of looks like playing cards, but it's a play on the Jordan brand and the Jumpman. And on the right foot, we have this one image of what looks like a playing card on the heel, and it says All-Star with 14 stars, representing the number of times Michael Jordan was voted as an NBA All-Star. So at the time that I'm filming this, there hasn't been too much news about this Black Toe Pack. So I'm not sure whether or not this pack is actually supposed to be representing something else, something possibly related to All-Star or like playing cards or something like that. So if you guys know something I don't know, definitely be sure to leave a comment down in the box below. Continuing on with the review, the upper of these Air Jordan 1s sit atop this foam midsole that's done in Summit White, which is sort of like an off-white or a sail color. Encapsulated within the midsole, we have an air unit found underneath the heel. Flipping these over to the bottom, here we have your standard Air Jordan 1 outsole. In this case, the entire outsole is done in this Blue Moon colored rubber with this Nike branding found right in the center. In terms of sizing, the inclusion of this suede doesn't change the fit of these Air Jordan 1s. So I got these in my standard 10.5, which is the same size that I wear in most of my Air Jordan 1s. So I'd recommend sticking with your normal Jordan 1 size, and if you guys haven't worn a Jordan 1 before, sticking true to size would be a safe bet. Comfort wise, so there's not too much that needs to be said about comfort, so these feel pretty much exactly like all my other Air Jordan 1s. So when I say that, I mean that the comfort is average. It's not going to feel amazing on feet, it feels honestly pretty stiff, but it does the job for just an everyday casual sneaker. So now let me lace up these Blue Moon Air Jordan 1s and show you guys how these look on feet. Nowadays, it seems like every Air Jordan 1 is an instant hit, so in this case, I'm sure that this won't be an exception to the rule. If you guys are looking for something a little bit different, such as this shoe that has the inclusion of this suede back panel, then this is definitely something you'd want to consider when they drop on May 1st. If you guys are from Canada and you're looking to buy these on May 1st, these will be available at boutiques such as The Closet Inc. So I'll add their social media, their website, and all that other good stuff down in the description box below. These most likely will also be available online at nike.ca as well, so be sure to keep your eyes out for that. So if you guys enjoyed this early look, be sure to give me that thumbs up, hit that subscribe button down below, and give me a follow on Instagram as well at sgo8, and be sure to check out my website at seango.ca. So until next time, thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I'll catch you guys in my next review.